Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So OpenArt allows you to modify and enhance video clips, but it's not a full editing software. You will use it to generate and adjust visuals, then finalize everything in a video editor. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to edit a video using OpenArt in 2026. Okay, so first thing first, import or generate your video. So option 1, generate video inside OpenArt. Option 2, upload an existing video. So this is your starting point, okay? So modify video style, use prompts to change visuals, like for example, cinematic, lightning, dramatic mode, high contrast, okay? So I will show you the prompts, the example prompts like this. Apply filters, style changes. So transform the look, okay? So trim and select clips, like choose the best parts, keep clips short, focused, okay, one idea per clip. So extend video, like use extend video feature, continue motion or scene, build longer sequences. After that, refine details like improve lighting, colors, motion, regenerate small sections if needed, and polish visuals. Okay, so after that, maintain consistency, keep same style, same characters, same lighting, okay, avoid random changes, and export video. So download your edited clips like it's ready for final editing. Final editing external software, use CapCut, Adobe Premiere Pro, add music, voiceover, transitions, subtitles. Okay, so this completes your video. Okay, so some common mistake, like for example, trying to do full editing inside OpenArt, no consistency in style, over editing visuals, no final editing step. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.